everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 59 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is what happiness means to me. So let's start. So happiness means different to different people. For some people it is all about money, and for some people it is about success, fame, fame and healthy habits like that. And for me it is different. I think that happiness will come when I will have healthy mind, and when I will be happy from myself. Then happiness comes. Whenever I am going to sleep at night, I am assured that I have done my best. It doesn't matter whether I have won or lost, but during night I think that what was my today was my productive day or not. And if it was productive day, then it bring happiness to my mind, to my health, and to my soul. So happiness means different to different people. For some people it is all about money. They want to achieve money, they want to chase money. And for some people it means about success, having fame, having name. But for me, I think that to have a healthy relationship with family members and friends, to have healthy mind, and to be relaxed during night, that yes, I have done my work, yes, I am productive, I am better than yesterday. So these things define happiness by my side. So this is really important, because life is unpredictable, and if we stay happy with small things, then life will becomes more beautiful. And if we desire for a very big thing, and we are not able to chase it, so life become not easier. So we should have to focus on first small things, and we have to chase that, and then we will be able to achieve what we want in life. So this was the whole point of this video, that what does happiness means to me. Happiness for me, happiness does not means success, does not means fame, does not means name, fame. It means having a healthy mind, having a better soul, and being a kind person, helping others, and people are happy with me. And I know, yes, success is also everybody wants success. So I also want success. But apart from success, I am telling that happiness, what does happiness means to me. So apart from success, happiness means to me that I am very in a happy, healthy relationship with my family, with my friends, having a laughter with my friends, and means beautiful life. Living a beautiful life is what happiness means to me, because life is really unpredictable. I have seen many changes in my life during these years. So we cannot predict what will happen tomorrow, but we should live in present so that our tomorrow will be better. So that's all, and I will conclude that you don't have to chase your happiness. It comes to you automatically. What you are seeking will seek to you. There's a dialogue of, I think, Shah Rukh Khan, that whatever you are seeking will seek to you. So whatever you are chasing, it will come back to you. Whatever God plans for us, it come back to us. Suppose someone wants to become pilot, and he is not destined to become pilot, then whatever is better for him will come back to him. So we are here to do karma. We are not here to do what we are here to do karma, and we have to believe in God's plan. And my topic was different, and I So what does happiness means? Living a happy life, living a healthy life, having good relationship with family and friends, doing good karma, doing spreading kindness among people, and living a life of joy, living a life of happiness. Whether it is a sad moment also, we have to express smile on our face, so that happiness will never go away from us. So that's all for today video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.